Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport in the Vice. I have a Master Lock 570. No spring on the shackle, no spring on the core. That's the bidding. Highs, 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 a low, medium low, and a high. 5 pins. I've just watched a tutorial by Lady Locks on how to pick this lock. I got this lock years ago from SE Lock and Key, a lock for us. Thank you very much. And I'll be using the picks given to me by j.gabriel just recently. Haven't had a chance to give them a workout. Now, Lady Lock's strategy was top of the keyway, and you have to keep counter-rotating it manually yourself. So because I've got such deep cuts, Lady Locks did short hook, but her first pin was really low and she needed to get under it, but I got high one, so I'm going to go for a high lift, a deep medium hook with the Jimmy Longs. Now this is my 5th attempt in a row. I'm going to crank, I've changed the tension wrench down to something smaller, and I'm going to go in with heavy attention. Just feel for any binders. See, they all feel like they're binding. So I'm going to go for number 2. Click there, number 1. Click there, slightest false set. Pin 3. Pin 4 is low, just barely touch that. Go to 5. Nothing. Okay, reset. Felt weird. Starting again. Okay. Pin 1. Nothing. Pin 2. 2 clicks. Pin 3. And because they're all spools, Lady Lock said you need to counter-rotate them because everything is going to be in a spool position to start off with. Okay, slight movement. And the false set you get is really tiny. Like you can barely see it on screen. Oh, I thought I had that then. And all I did was lose my tension wrench. I feel like I dropped into a tiny false set then. Okay, pin 1, 2, 3. Lost my tension wrench, don't panic. It's a dead shackle, so dead core, so just put it back in gently. You won't have lost what you've dropped. Not what you've dropped, what you've set. Oh, we're all squeaky. Need a deeper hook. Lost the tension edge again. Oh, yes. Wow, that is an open. Ha ha ha. Thank you very much, Lady Locks. I am stoked. I think that is my attempt number 6 in a row. Whoa. Oh wow, thank you to SE Lock and Key for the lock, and thank you to j.gabriel for the pics. Link in the description below. This lock is not guttable, so you can't have a bo peep inside. But that is the Master Lock 570, officially opened on Pocket Women. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.